Nationwide, new coronavirus infections in the country are hitting record numbers again. This time, more than 77,000 new cases were reported on Thursday, a new daily record, and 924 coronavirus deaths were reported today, the most since late May. Health officials in Florida report staggering new numbers. In just one day, 130 people have died of COVID-19, with more than 11,000 people infected. And in Georgia, Governor Brian Kemp is suing the Atlanta mayor, Keisha Lance Bottoms, over her mandate to wear masks in Atlanta. Kemp has refused to issue a statewide order on face coverings despite an increases in cases across Georgia.
And as the nationwide surge continues, there is renewed urgency for a new round of federal relief funds. CBS 2's Natalie Brand reports from the White House.
As U.S. coronavirus cases shattered another record Friday, a White House task force document obtained by the Center for Public Integrity suggests states with surging cases should return to more stringent precautions. The document lists 18 states in the so-called red zone for caseloads. It recommends that red zone counties require masks at all times, close bars and gyms, and limit social gatherings to small groups.
We've got to have a delicate balance of carefully and prudently going towards normality and opening up, at the same time that we contain and not allow these surgings that we're seeing in certain southern states. That's a big challenge.
On Capitol Hill this morning, Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin said negotiations will begin next week on the next round of COVID relief legislation.
I think we'll definitely have another package.
During testimony, he also said the Paycheck Protection Program for small businesses should be extended to help the hardest hit industries, including restaurants and hotels.
I think this time we need to have a revenue test and make sure that money is going to businesses that have significant revenue declines.
The White House and lawmakers are also talking about tens of billions of dollars in school funding as a priority in the next round of COVID relief. Last week, the president threatened to withhold federal funding from schools that do not reopen.
The CDC has delayed the release of its additional guidance for reopening schools safely. The agency had said it would be out this week, but now says it'll be released by the end of July. Natalie Brand, CBS News, the White House.